Grade 6, let's talk about the probability, its key terms and applications. So the outcome we are going to focus today is on 6SP4, demonstrate an understanding of probability by different aspects. Objective, today we are going to learn some key terms and concepts that will help us understand probability better. So what is probability? First do a little mind check from our previous learning. Probability is the likelihood or chance of something happening. We use probability to predict outcomes and make decisions. So on the screen, they are showing you two cards from a deck. One is showing an alphabet A with a red color heart shape, and the other card is number 10, black color. So what is the possibility if I told you to pick a card from a deck that is the first one, A, red color heart? This is we are going to learn in our coming slides. Key term in probability is outcome, event, probability, and sample space. Outcomes in probability. Outcome means a possible result of an experiment or situation. Example, suppose we roll a fair six-sided die. The possible outcomes are number 1 to number 6. So the outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Events in probability. Events are a collection of outcomes. For example, let's say we define the event rolling an even number. The outcome that satisfied this event are 2, 4, 6. Now see what is the difference between the outcome in probability and the events in probability. When we are talking about the outcomes, we are just talking about one fair answer. We are going to roll a dice. Either it show me 1, 3, 5, 2, 4 or 6. So the possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is the only answers that can come as an output. But when I'm talking about an event, that means I am giving it a condition that if I'm rolling the dice, what are the possibilities of getting an even number? So out of six numbers, we know there are three numbers that are even, 2, 4, 6, and three numbers that are odd, 1, 3, 5. So now we are reduced the possibility by 3 because there are only three options, that is 2, 4, and 6. So the favorable outcome that is going to satisfy the condition is only 2, 4, and 6. Probability of event. Probability is likelihood of an event occurring expressed as a fraction, decimal, or percentage. Calculating probability. The probability of an event is calculated by dividing the number of favorable outcomes by the total number of outcomes. For example, the probability of rolling an even number, that is 2, 4, 6, on a fair six-sided die that contains six outcomes is 3 by 6 or 1 by 2, because we only have three favorable answers. One of that can come out. But how many total outcomes that can come? 3 plus 3, 6. So 3 divided by 6 or 1 divided by 2 is called the probability. This is how we calculate it. Probability of winning. The probability of winning or losing on the spinner is 4 divided by 8 as a fraction, or 0.50 as a decimal, or 50% as a percentage. Now let's see why it is. So In this circle, we can clearly see it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The circle is divided into 8 portions. And among with these 8, there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are for win and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are for loss. So it is like 50-50. That is why the chances of getting a win or a lose is 50%. Sample space in probability. Sample space is the best set of all possible outcomes of an experiment. Example, if we flip a coin, the sample space is either heads or tails. It is clear, like if we have a coin, it can be this side or the other side of the coin. So the possibilities are again 50-50, 50%. Let's review it. Outcomes, possible returns of an experiment. Events, collection of outcomes. Probability, likelihood of an event occurring. And sample space, set of all possible outcomes. Let's practice. Calculate the probability of the spinner landing on the color black. Define the event and sample space. I'll give you 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I hope you count the portion of the circle. Let's count it together. We start from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So they all are 16 lines in a circle. Now see how many of them are black. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So out of 16, there are the chances for 8 times that it can be a black when they spin the spinner. So the answer of the probability is 50%. Total possible outcomes 16, favored outcomes 8. Probability is equal to favored outcomes divided by total outcomes. So P is equal to 8 divided by 16 or 1 divided by 2. The favored event is landing on the color black. The sample space is white and black. Now let's do some more practice. Now I'm going to roll the dice. What are the probabilities of getting 3 if I roll it? It is 6. So, what do you think? I'm sure you get the answer yet. Comment your answer below and we will move to the next question. This is a coin. So, what do you think? What are the chances of getting a head? I'm pretty much sure you answered the question in the comment section for sure. If you have any doubt, ask me in class or you can leave a comment over there. Thank you.